In today's video, I'll show you how to update the Continue Shopping button link on cart page in Shopify Horizon theme. As you can see in this example, my cart page is currently empty, but if I click on the Continue Shopping button, I'll be redirected to collection/all, which contains all my products. For this example, let's assume we're looking to update the Continue Shopping button link to another collection, such as Feature Collection. To make this change, log into your Shopify admin account. Once you're on the Shopify dashboard, on the left side of the screen, under Sales Channels, click on the Online Store. Then look for your current theme, my case Horizon, and then select Add a Theme. Once the theme editor loads, at top left corner, click on Theme Settings. Then scroll a bit down, click on the Cart section. Under Cart Features, look for Empty Cart button link. Let's click on it, then select another collection. Let's select Feature Collection right here. And finally, at the top right corner, click on Save. Once the changes are saved, go back to your website and try opening the cart page. Let's click on the Continue Shopping button, and as you can see, we're now redirected to the Feature Collection. So for now, that's all for this video. Hope you found useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please comment my channel. Thank you.